Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making something that I used to think is so complex and difficult, but actually is super simple to make. Like, guys, it's really easy to make. I'm not even joking. And the best part is it's an unwanted guest, eh? Like, I really tried. The best part is it's 3 ingredients only. And with patience and constant stirring, hint hint, you can have yourself a wonderful strawberry homemade jam. That's right, strawberry homemade jam for you and your family to enjoy. Absolute sweetness, absolute greatness. If you are ready, let's go. Okay, so our first ingredient is obviously strawberries. Have a look at them. Yes. I've taken a little bit to already take off the top ends, you know, the green leafy part. I've already cut that off. So they need just a rough chop. The amount here is roughly 900 grams / 2 pounds. Add them into a bowl with some sugar. Let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that they go into the pot. Let's go. Into this little bowl, this container. So there we have it. 250 grams, about a half a pound of sugar, and then you'll want to mix that through and let it sit for about 10 minutes before you add it into your medium-high heat pot. Alright, so stir through, rest 10 minutes, and then add it to the pot and start cooking. Welcome back. So it's time to get the strawberries in the pot and cook them down so that we can produce a wonderful tasting strawberry jam. Add your strawberry mixture into the pot, continuously stir at a medium-high heat, and allow those juices and strawberries to break down nicely. It will appear watery at first, as you will see right now, but don't worry, continue stirring until it thickens, and you will see a beautiful consistency just before the jam is ready. In goes the strawberry mixture. Continuously stir. I'll bring you guys a bit closer towards the pot content, and your third ingredient will be 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Alright, you can use freshly squeezed lemon or lemon juice, doesn't matter. And just continuously stir that beautiful mixture in there. As you can see, it's breaking down quite nicely. The lens is steaming up, sorry about that. But just continuously stir. Ensure that it doesn't burn. Sorry for that focus. There we go. And just allow it to cook nicely down. Be patient. Trust me, you will enjoy it. Welcome back. So yeah, the jam is ready. The consistency is absolutely beautiful. And now it's time to jar the jam. So you'll want to make sure that the container that you use for the jam is sterilized quite well. And I just had this jar in some boiling water. I washed it, of course, and let it rest for about 10-15 minutes just to make sure that all the nasty germs and things are taken care of. And yeah, voila, that's the jar we'll be using. Side note and hack for scooping the jam into the jar: do not pour it directly from the pot because you might experience some spillage. So you can use a little scooping spoon and safely transfer the jam into the jar. Alright. So let's just say your scoop could not manage to get all the goodness out of the pot. I've got another tool which works excellent and it prevents wastage. Presenting the bread. Ooh. So you have two options, right? You can either jar the jam directly once the jam is ready, or allow it to cool down a bit, you know, just for the sake of the jar. It's quite warm. And then once it's cooled down a bit, you can transfer the jam into the jar. Also, before you refrigerate, allow this to cool at least to room temperature. Then you're more than welcome to pop it into the fridge. I don't have chalk with me at the moment, so I'll just use like a pen. I don't know if it'll work, but let's try it. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's have a look. Jam. Allow to cool, room temperature, then refrigerate. Good.